Hey guys, so what I want to talk to you today about is our services and basically all of the things that we can do for you, because it's been requested a few times now where people ask in the comments and say, hey Niels, can you what services do you actually offer? What do you actually do? Because a lot of times I talk about that we do sourcing, right? And we speak a lot about sourcing and e-commerce on this channel. And the reason that we can speak about all of these things, because we do videos every day, the reason that we can speak about that so much is because we do it on a daily basis anyway, right? So we're not only like an education company that's trying to sell you online courses, we actually have a team, we have an office, we have people here that do all kinds of things for ourselves, but also for other clients, right? So we have our own businesses, we're 7 figures on Amazon, we're 7 figures on Shopify. And what basically we do is that we leverage the same team that is responsible for that kind of revenue. We leverage the same team and this team offers coaching and done for you services and help in all kinds of areas for e-commerce. So no matter where you are on your e-commerce journey, whether you're just starting out, whether you're already selling but you're not profitable, whether you're profitable, or where you already scaled this up to a 7-figure business and you're thinking about selling it. Anything in between, there's something we can help you with. And we have a lot of no-brainer offers and services. And if you want to explore more of these services, there's a link below in the description, or just head over to easypeasycall.com and then you can book a call with us, choose your category, and we explain you a little bit better on how we could specifically help you with that, right? Because everyone's situation is a little bit unique. Everyone has their unique products, their unique stores, their unique issues, and we have a unique situation and a unique solution for you. So there's no general thing, it's very, 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 very specific. So let's start with sourcing. Okay, so there are different sourcing services. If you are struggling to source your product, or if you're smart, you don't want to source your own product anyway, whether that is for dropshipping, so that's the very first service we offer. If you want to source products for dropshipping and want to find reliable suppliers that you can trust, you want to find someone who can deliver your products in the quality that you want to have someone that you can work with in long term, maybe even to fulfill your product, we can find a supplier for you. Okay, that's the very first thing that we offer and that we do. Now, if you're someone who wants to order in bulk, let's say you're placing bulk orders for Amazon, or you have bulk orders that you sell on your own shop, and you want to do this and you want to outsource this is the main sourcing thing that we do, right? So how our sourcing services work with that is that you have a project manager who is in constant communication and constant contact with you, who works with you on your sourcing projects. And then we have a sourcing team who fulfills the sourcing work, who contacts the factories, make sure they're reliable. And we do everything from contacting factories, getting quotations, ordering samples, doing quality controls, arranging shipping, whether that's sea shipping or air shipping or shipping by train or by truck to Europe. All of these things are, it's one package, and this is something that we do. Now, if you're interested in that, head over to the link in the description. Just book a call with us and we can speak about your unique product, your unique situation, and make you a unique proposal on what it would take for us to do the sourcing for you. And a lot of times you'll be surprised, because actually the money that we save you on the order is enough to cover our whole fee for that. Okay, so this is something that we do. And all of these things we can offer them because we do it for ourselves anyway. We do this for our own products, whether that is sourcing, whether that is, all the e-commerce services. No matter what it is, we have our own team for our things anyway. So we leverage all of these people in everything else. And no matter what kind of how you like to be served, you like to do courses and do everything yourself, we have that. You like one-on-one consultation, we have that. You want a group coaching program, we have that. You want a combination of all of these things, we have that. Or you want everything done for you. It's very, very, very specific to what you want, what you need, and what you like, really, and then on which level and which state you are. Now, let's say you got the sourcing figured out, right? There's so many other things when it comes to e-commerce that can be a struggle, right? There's optimizing your store to be profitable. There's picking the right products. There is the advertisement. How do you advertise this store? And everything in between, right? So whether that is store optimization, whether that is placing your Facebook ads, or whether that is all of it, basically the whole journey of your e-commerce, there are programs for that, Okay, so just head over in the description, there is a link, or head over to easypeasyecom.com directly and just pick the category that is right for you. One of the newest things that we added is also dropshipping fulfillment, where we have our own fulfillment center, and if you want to store products in China and have us fulfill them, then we can do that. So we integrate directly with your store, and then every time you place an order, there's an automated process that happens on our side, where we print the shipping labels, where we pick and pack the right products or the right combination of products into the box, put the shipping label on, and ship this out. So if you want to sell your products internationally, that's something that you want to do. Or if you're just looking for, a cash flow friendly approach, and you don't want to have these long lead times and ship products into your country or into, the country that you're selling in, but you want to drop ship everything from China, then this is the perfect solution. So like I say, whatever it is that you need from starting out to selling your business, we do that. Okay, so there are all of these different things, but the majority and the really the goal and the highest value that we can offer is to partner up with you. Okay, so if you have more than $100,000 a month that you do for 3 months in a row, then we like to partner up with you. We like to show you how can you get to the next level. How can you get from 6 to 7 figures? How can you get how can we elevate the game for you? How can we launch your store in different countries or in different markets? How can we improve your profitability? How can we handle your supply chain? We can find new suppliers for you. We can work with existing suppliers. We can build relationships with better suppliers. We can take the whole supply chain off your shoulders and just manage that, right? And this is where we come in as a partner. But also we leverage our team that then looks at all of the parts in your business, right? So for example, our advertiser who has spent millions of dollars in Facebook ads, well, she looks into your ads and she improves your ads, right? And this is on the highest level, right? So this is on the partnership level. But if you say, hey, I just want someone to look at my shop, and I want to see how we can improve the copy and the pictures and how can we make it more profitable. Or I just want to have someone for Facebook ads, then that's definitely something that we do. So there's one-on-one consultation, also one-on-one coaching, there's group coaching, or we offer done for you services. So you see, this is all a very, very, very unique offering. So whatever you need, wherever you are, and whichever way you like to be served, we do it. So whatever you can think of and you're not sure if we do it or not, probably we do. And to find out if we do it, if it makes sense to help you, just head over and book a call with me and my team. So you just book a call, and then one of us, either me or someone in the team, is gonna call you and explain you basically how we could help you if you wanted that. Now, obviously we can't force you to do it, and the call is free. So there's actually nothing to lose on the call. If we figure out, well, this is not the right thing to work together with, that's fine. No harm, nothing bad taken here. But if we do, and if we have a proposal that you would like, then we'll make you that, and it's up to you to decide if you want to take us up on that. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked just getting a little peek behind the curtains of all of the things that we do here. And we have so many more cool videos coming from China, from how we're set up with our office, how we're structuring all the services uniquely. And if you have a question about any of this, just hit it in the comments below and I'll answer it there for you. So now I wish you a great day. I see you here tomorrow because we do content on this channel every day. So make sure that you subscribe so you get notified when we launch the videos, and you get to watch the videos that you are interested in. Also, if you have a question that you like to have answered in a video, just put that in the comments below and then I'll record a video as an answer to your question. Thank you very much for watching this. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good day.